What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just want to make a quick video. Chevrolet just made it possible on the website to build your Z06, so we're going to go ahead and build it. Actually, I've already built it. It's actually right here in the bottom corner. I'm hiding it right now. I want to show you guys all my specs and then the final price of the build. So here we go. So I'm gonna go with the coupe. The coupe starts at 106. The convertible starts at 114. I don't think you can go wrong with either one. Love them both, but we'll save some money and we'll go with the coupe. Next thing up, I went with the 2LZ. I got the 2LZ on the C8 right now. There's some things that come with only the 2LZ and better that I think that you really need. One of them being that rear view camera. You can't really see at all on that car as it is. Blind spots are terrible. That rear view camera, I think that's amazing. I think every Corvette should have that on there. Honestly, they should put that on the 1LZ. But I could see why they would put on the 2 just to entice you to go up. So if you click on details here, it'll show you exactly what comes on the 2LZ, and you compare them to the 1LZ and the 3LZ. But what I really like about the 2LZ, of course I already said the rear view camera, one. The second thing is the 14 speaker audio sound system. That thing is the best sounding sound system I've ever heard in a car. I love that thing. Other than that, the PDR, love the PDR. So really it's just the safety stuff. Heads up display comes in 1LZ now. I don't know if it always did, but yeah, it's in 1LZ. So really it's just that rear view camera, PDR, and then if you need that sound system. All right, so after you figure out if you want the 1LZ, 2LZ, or 3LZ, I'm gonna skip over the exterior because it's just the color and it basically shows you guys the whole build. So we're gonna skip on over to the wheels. With the color, I went black, so you can see it there. And then I actually chose the 2021 rear Spider Design machine face forged aluminum wheels. I think they look the best. I love those wheels. Ever since they came out, they looked amazing. So I went with those. Interior wise, right now in the C8, we've got the red and black with the microfiber, and we got the microfiber steering wheel originally, and then we changed out with the Paragon Performance carbon fiber steering wheel. But anyways, this time I went with the all black interior, matched with the all black exterior. There's only really 3 or 4 colors. It's either black, silver, red, or that natural color. So there's not really too much to choose from. I went with the black. And all leather this time, no microfiber. Next thing, they have the packages, road safety, some floor mats, some stickers. I did choose the Z07 performance package. This car, it looks like all the testing and stuff like that, it looks so dialed in. I would really want, the best of the best Z06. I think this is one of these cars that I think that I'm just gonna keep forever. It looks so amazing. So I went with the Z07 package, to get the better suspension, the carbon ceramic brakes, and have all that tune that's meant for those lighter wheels. And I think, I don't know if you get the regular wheels, if they're gonna tune that suspension for the lighter wheels. I have to do a little more research into that. But I don't really care for the carbon fiber wheels. It's good looking, but I don't know. It's not all about it. Next thing are the options. They got a ton of options on here. I did get the Z07 package, which comes with the carbon fiber ground effects. Well, you can choose between carbon fiber or carbon flash. I chose the carbon fiber. I don't have any carbon fiber on the C8 now, so I kind of wanted to do an all carbon fiber one this time. So we're going with the visible carbon fiber ground effects. The only other thing I added was the transparent roof. I've never had that. I really want to try that out. Plus I can put the camera up there. And then I went with the Z06 red badge because I think that would pop off the black. I think that would look pretty cool. And then I went with the Corvette Museum delivery. I think that'd be a really cool experience. And I think, don't you get to build your motor a little bit? I think personalized interior name plaque, special day, three guests receive a VIP tour of the museum. I receive a delivery presentation. I don't see anything about building a motor, but I don't know, either way, it'd be a really cool experience. And then last but not least, as part of that is the Z07 package, is that visible carbon fiber aero package. So for the grand finale, here you go. This is my build. This is what I'm gonna go for. It looks pretty cool. We got the carbon fiber all around it. You got the red Z06 badge there, the wheels that I chose, black on black. I think that thing looks like a freaking Batmobile. It's gonna look insane. Total price, most expensive Corvette ever. $143,000. Never thought Corvette would get that high up there, but this car is it's insane. So, I mean, and it matches a lot of those competitors that are way more expensive, so it makes sense. But yeah, there's the build, 143,000, Z07 package. Just I just want a lot of performance stuff, a couple of the creature comforts. I don't need the 3LZ, the nice interior and stuff like that. There's a gas guzzler tax of $3,000. I didn't know that. Makes sense. But yeah, guys, 670 horsepower, 460 foot-pounds of torque, rear-wheel drive, 12 in the city, 19 on the highway. That's really low for a Corvette. Never been that low on EPA, but you're not really worried about that. I'm super excited about this car, guys. Cannot wait. We're number 15 in line right now. We were 19, so it dropped 4 spots. Corvette specialist at my dealership is number 70 in line, and he thinks he'll be getting one next September. So I'm number 15 in line, maybe March, maybe summertime. I don't know. Super excited. Cannot wait. We're going to have a ton of fun with it. We're going to do a lot of the drag racing, comparing a lot of other supercars to it. Probably a ton of mods. I told myself I wouldn't be doing a lot to this car, but I mean, I'm probably going to do a lot to the car. So we'll see. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Later.